Dear student, this is a differential equations class. Already we have seen about variable separable method. Today we are seeing about homogeneous equation. Okay? What do you mean by homogeneous equation? See the definition. Consider dy by dx equal to f1 open bracket x comma y close bracket divided by f2 open bracket x comma y close bracket, where f1 and f2 are homogeneous function of the same degree in x and y. What you understand here, the degree must be same. Okay, if we compare x term and y term, the degree, the power must be same. Okay, that's called homogeneous equation. If the power is same, if you find this is a homogeneous equation, then how we have to write f1? We can write as x power n pi open bracket y by x close bracket, and f2 open bracket x comma y as x power n psi open bracket y by x close bracket. Okay. Also, we put y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to, just we are differentiating. Clear? Just differentiating. If you differentiate y by x, what will come? Dy by dx. Also we are differentiating this vx by using uv method. UV method, just we are using here UV method. Then keeping b as a constant and differentiating x, it will come 1. Okay, and keeping x as a constant and differentiating v, okay, this will come. Just we are applying this value in the given equation, then we will bring the solution. This is the procedure. This is the format for homogeneous equation. First you study this one and you apply for the examples. See one example. Listen here. This is the given example. Y power 2 plus x power 2 dy by dx equal xy dy by dx. This is the given equation. Clear? In the given equation, just we are taking y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx as the procedure. Clear? By the procedure we are taking this and we are applying this value in the given equation. This is the given equation. Consider the equation. Instead of y, we are putting the value of vx. Okay? Instead of dy by dx, we are putting the value of this one. We are just applying. After that, just when a number comes from this side, the sign will change. If it is a plus, when it comes here, it will change into minus. Okay, this is a symbol. Next, just we are observing the common term. Clear? Common term. This is common here. Also, this term also common here. Common term. Just taking the common term. I am writing like this. Okay, just you write like this, and just you minimize the equation. Okay. Here also we are seeing x square, here also we are seeing x square, just we are minimizing. How we have to minimize? By divide by x square, we can minimize this one. By divide. This equation we will get. Okay. After that, this one, when it goes this side, the sign will change as it is. If plus means it will change into minus. Then just we are multiplying by this one. Just we are multiplying this one. After that we are multiplying this one. Multiplying. Simply multiplying and this will come. Okay. Next, the same we are multiplying by this. Also you are multiplying by this. Just a multiplication. Doing this will come. When this numbers goes that side, the sign will get into change. Plus means it will change into minus, and minus means it will change into plus. Okay, that the change will happen here. This one. Now we are seeing the numbers are same. This is positive, this is negative. just we are cancelling. The remaining term is here. Here we are using the variable separable method. Okay, just we are separating the variables. V terms one side and X terms another one side. We are seeing V term is here. Just bringing V term from this side to this side. This is here is a multiplication. When it comes here, it will become a division like this. Okay, that's all. Just cancelling this minus, we are taking one minus from this common. Just we can cancel and we will get this term. Then the variable separable method, just we are using here. Just when it goes that side, it will go as a multiplication. When X comes this side, it will become division. Variable separable, just separating the variables. X variables are here, V variables are here. Clear? Next, simply multiplying. Multiply means we will get this one. Just we are cancelling the common terms. Then we will get this one. Okay. Now it's a method of variable separable. Clear? This is a variable separable method. Already we have seen about variable separable method. Then we have to follow the method. Okay? Integrating. Just integrating. If we integrate this, what will come? V will come here. V. This is in fraction. If you integrate means what will get? Log V. If you integrate dx by x, we will get log x. Also we will put one constant term for integration. Clear? This one. Now, clear? Here we are using log rule. Log rule, what is that one? Log A plus log B equal to log AB. By using the log rule, we are bringing this one here. Okay, this is A, this is B, then it will become like this. Clear? This one. Next, what we are doing? This comes here. Okay, this one. We bring this one outside. Then minus term will become plus. Again, we are using this log rule. It will become like this, and cancelling the common term, this term will remain. We write like this, over. Okay. Now we are in order to cancel the log, we are taking exponential on both sides, exponential. Then it will become e power y by x, and here e power log cy. Then log and e we have to cancel. Cancelling, this term we will get, okay, this is the C. The C remains constant. Integration constant, this one. Okay. When it goes that side, it will become like this. This constant. We can write 1 by C equal to C because of that integral constant. We don't know the value of the C. So we write like this. This is the required answer. Clear? This is the required answer. Study this one. If you need any clarification, just ask us. Thank you.